Okay, yeah, no, you're not crazy. This is a brand new Surface Duo 256 gig. And the reason I got this is because my 128 gig, it costs 700 bucks. I got this for $680 for a 256 gig. And I walked right into Best Buy and picked it up. Now, right now, Best Buy actually has this for $750 for the 256 gig and $700 for the 128. Obviously, I would tell you just go ahead and get the 256 gig. It's totally worth it. And if you have any kind of Best Buy credits, you'll pay even less. So I got mine for 700 or 680 bucks, basically. And I think this is definitely a must since I'm going to be, keeping it. I thought, I bought it. I might as well just get the best deal possible. So out goes the 128 gig and in comes the 256 gig model. Now, the one thing that I'm thinking about with my Surface Duo is protection at this point. I do have the bumper case, but the bumper case still has the device exposed. And there's an outer box called the Odyssey or something like that, Odyssey. And I'm probably going to go ahead and pick that up. It's the $50 one. And because most of the cases that are for this device, they don't allow you to open the device completely and, have it open. And if there's a whole bunch of so-called leather cases online, but the outer box just is a drop-in case and that is it. Or I might have to just continue to rock with the bumper. Now, this device has been getting a lot more attention because of the price, but some of us were interested in the Duo last year and the year before in 2019 when it first dropped. So if you don't know, obviously, got to give you some backstory. You might look on my channel and see videos for the Surface Duo back in 2020 and even 2019. That's because I've been following the Surface Duo since day one. And I just think it's a very eclectic device and it's hard to put down. Now, I haven't been giving you very many videos on this because I felt like the Surface Duo is more of a collector's device for me. And some devices I just don't use regularly. That doesn't mean I don't have them. But, man, my excitement for switching my other one out. Basically what I did with the other ones, I sent it back because I paid more for that one after taxes than this one, and I get double the storage. Now again, I do recommend, some people bought the AT&T versions, and I'm hearing that a lot of people are having trouble getting theirs unlocked because Microsoft has to send AT&T the code, and they're taking a long time. It definitely can get done, but the other disadvantage for using the AT&T version is you can't use it on Verizon. This version right here can work on any carrier. And I think that's something that Visible Wireless, it works on all of them. So you need to take note of that. The unlocked version is what I would promote and tell a person to actually get. So in all fashion, I just popped on a matte screen protector and called it a day. Just matte life. So I just feel like for what you can get from the Surface Duo now, it's a better folding device than it's getting credit for, and I've said that a bunch of times. Now I spoke earlier. There's something I wouldn't use regularly, but I do use this. But this is just my new one with the memory, so I took my SIM card out and put it into this one. Send the other one back. Now, fast forward to the Surface Duo 2 and Android 11 for this device. Now you're gonna have to make some choices. There are gonna be a lot of people out there saying, "I'm just gonna wait for the Surface Duo 2." Here's something you need to consider. They're going to fix this software to make it even more flawless and sweet than it is right now. They've already done that. It's on the May security patch. It's going to get the June security patch. It's supposed to get Android 11. And I think to take care of their consumers, that is what they're going to do. They're going to put this device on Android 11 because this was the guinea pig. This was the dummy, the test dummy. We all jumped out and bought this at full cost. Well, some of us ended up getting this at full cost initially in 2020. And here we are in 2021, and it's catching that spark again, like the Essential phone. People know that this is a good device. They just don't want to pay the price. So now that the device is on sale, how could you pass on it? If you want something different, all the traditional Android devices that I have, if you look at that black cabinet back there, you can kind of see blurred out because I'm using f1.4 on Sigma lens, Team Sony and Team Sigma. You would find a ton of smartphones that are current day, OnePlus 9, OnePlus 9 Pro, iPhone 12. You'll see all these different devices that are current day. But the stereotypical bar devices have played out, and this is something that is very eclectic and very special. Running two apps together is absolutely fantastic. This isn't a new discussion that we're having on the channel. It's just that I had to tell you that you can get an unlocked one for half off at Best Buy. Now, the Surface Duo 2, codenamed Zeta, supposed to have a rear camera, supposed to have a better camera, supposed to have this, supposed to have that. For those people that might say, well, I'm just going to wait for the Surface Duo 2, you might want to reconsider. Now, before I say the next statement, I do want to tell those people, if you have AT&T, get the AT&T version. If you don't plan on leaving AT&T, you just a person that wants the AT&T version because you know it's going to be fully compatible, go for it. Definitely go for it. You'll get all the perks that AT&T offers. I personally closed my AT&T account about 3-4 months ago, so I don't have any need for an AT&T version. I want the full vibe. I want to be able to use it on any carrier if I want to. So again, side note, the AT&T version, get it if you want the AT&T version. If you've been with AT&T for so many years, or you just don't plan on leaving AT&T, get the AT&T version. You'll thank yourself because again, it's an option for you if you're just one of those people that don't jump around. But again, if you decide to get that, and you don't have AT&T, you expect some delays on your unlock. Now, as far as the Surface Duo 2, again, they're going to update this device, and the Surface Duo 2 is probably going to come out costing at least $1,500 again, if not more, because they're going to say, well, in the first one, we offered you this, we offered you that, we offered you that, and they're going to probably try to make it seem like the second version is worthy of the $1,800 price tag. It has 2 cameras, it has this and that. Think about that. This hardware is premium. They're not going to deviate from this hardware too much. They're going to probably put that camera on the back and probably make some changes to the front, give better cameras for the internals. But overall, we're probably going to see the same device more than likely. And, maybe a different color. So, it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Yes, I'm not crazy. You're not crazy. This is my third. It's not really unboxing. I just wanted to show you that Best Buy had it on sale, like I said, like 5 times already in this video. But I hope you guys are enjoying your Surface Duo. I'm enjoying my Surface Duo. I restored it back from the other Surface Duo. And gone is the 128. Flying in like this, because it can do that. Flying in is the 256 unlocked for all carriers. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. Give me some recommendations on cases. What recommendation do you have on a case? So if you're one of those people out there who sold your Surface Duo because, after you bought it a couple times, I know people who bought it more than once, and I don't know if they have it still, because the second time they bought it, they probably paid that $1,100 or the, $1,200, whatever the after taxes was. But if you don't have it, you better hurry up and hit Best Buy, because right now these are selling probably very well. And I was fortunate enough to walk into a Best Buy and get it. I paid in advance, went in there and picked it up, walked out. Just that simple. Amazon is selling the 128 gig, but they're not selling the 256 gig sold by Amazon, shipped by Amazon. So you can't do a price match on the Amazon version of this. And it also has to be in stock at Best Buy for them to sell it to you. So Best Buy pulled it and said, you know what? We're going to they work hand in hand with Amazon anyway, but they just decided we're going to go ahead and take $750 off of the 256 gig and $700 or whatever they took off of the 128 gig. So device is all updated, just like my 128 was. Everything's running smooth, and we're back on the grind with it. So more Surface Duo videos are going to come when more things happen with the Surface Duo. Until then, I might slowly give you some updates, but other than that, it's your man Jay. I hope you enjoy your Surface Duo. Take care.